What's going down, everybody? Back up in the shop, and we got ourselves some more goodies from QA1 for the 3rd gen track project. So I don't know if you saw in the previous videos, we did full QA1 level 3 handling kit on this car, coilover conversion up front, coilover conversion in the back, single adjustable shocks on the coilovers. So now we're going to be getting their new Proma Star series coilovers, which I'm really excited. I haven't opened them, haven't seen them. Excited to take a look at them, so I'll show you that. And then we're also going to be getting double adjustable rear struts as well as new springs. I went with a little bit shorter of a spring. If you guys have seen in my other videos, I couldn't get the back as low as the front. So I went with a shorter spring, same spring rate for the weight. So let's get this stuff opened up so you guys can get your eyes on it. But here we go. All right, well, I got everything opened up from the brown boxes now to these boxes. So I'm just gonna start opening it up. I'll bring you in, show you a close-up on everything as I open it. And then I'll also show you a little bit of what it's gonna be replacing so you can kind of see the difference between their new stuff and the old stuff. So, yeah. Boom. All right, so this is gonna be their new top plates. It's gonna go on top of the strut tower in the front. This is gonna be your camber and caster adjuster. So the old style plate, that's kind of noisy. The old style plate had the adjustment on this base. So the base moved in 2 directions. This one's looking like we have our camber adjustment here and then our caster there, which that's pretty cool. Once again, like I said in my other videos, I love their stuff. Nothing sharp. It's not gonna cut you like a cheap kit. They definitely take pride in the quality of their stuff, but I'm excited about this. These things look pretty sweet. So I'll bring you in a close-up and then I'll show you what my old ones look like because they're on the car currently. So let's do that. All right, let's pop the old hood. So that's their old style bracket. A little dirty, huh? But so you had the bottom plates slide, as you can see right here. So this slides front to back, in and out. So you have your camber and caster just in there in this one plate. So old ones, new ones, definitely an update. So we'll see how they go. I'm gonna obviously make a video putting all this stuff on as I do my upgrades, but there's number one. All right. One other thing I forgot to add with the other one, obviously one great thing about doing this, color directions. Every single thing that you get from them comes with directions, and I need directions with pictures because I'm just, you know, I like doing Legos, but I like pictures as well. And then, you know, they always come with stickers. So big shout out on that because it's always nice to get a bonus. But this, my friends, is their brand new QA1 Proma Star front strut. This is an inverted strut. I've watched a couple videos on it and it looks awesome. The struts I have in my car right now, their front coilovers did awesome last year. This is the new redesign. So aluminum body, it's lighter, stronger. Adjustability is up top. So we got our quick adjustments for our dampening on the top instead of having to lay under the car, which that is awesome. I don't know, but by looking at this, I don't know if you're gonna have to clearance your spindle like I did on the other style. I'll look at the directions obviously when I do the install and I'll let you guys know, but it doesn't hang down as low. So on the older style, the dampening adjustment knob is down here. It's probably, I don't know, ½ of an inch bigger. So yeah, it looks killer. I'm excited. I'll bring you in on a close-up and then I'll go show you the old ones that are on my car right now so you guys kind of get a little bit of the idea between the two. But that is just quite a bit lighter. I think when I do the install video, maybe I'll weigh full assembly of the new ones compared to the old ones. I know when I did my install of the factory struts and springs, it was dramatically lighter. I should probably start weighing this car because I call it a race car, but let me bring you in. But like I said, bad boy's just pretty. And they say the inverted strut, with the increased size of the cylinder opposed to the old style strut, is supposed to be like 25% lighter and ridiculously more stronger, you know, more strengths. Strength is always good, especially when you're, you know, beating on it. But so here is the old style strut. Like I said, I have no problems with this. I just saw the upgrade was available, and I figured, you know, we're in the spirit of spending money, might as well. And the people over at QA1 have been nothing but helpful getting me this figured out. I have never built a track car. I have never been figuring out spring rates and adjusting preload and doing that. They have had the most awesome customer service and have been so willing to help me. Also, sent me some swag, a hat and a t-shirt, and a banner. So thank you very much. One thing I will throw in there, we're not going to spend a bunch of time on it, is right here is the springs for the front coilovers. Let me see if I can do this without cutting myself. Warning, very unsafe. So we're going to be running a 10-inch spring, and it's a 350 spring rate. So it's a heavier spring. I am running autocross in this car. I do street drive it, but obviously we're primarily on the track with it and cruising around. I'm used to driving, you know, 240s and stuff back in the day with stiff suspension, but we're going 350 on the spring. That should be great for the track, and I'm really excited about this. But let's keep digging into this, see what else we got. All right, I figure I'll open a little box here. I don't even know what's in here. Oh, so we got adjuster wrench for the coilovers, locking rings, thrust bearings. It's going to be all the stuff for the rest of the coilovers. Okay, cool. It's all, I do like this too. So the other one, I went and painted everything. Everything's silver and black. This stuff is all like black and then anodized red, which is pretty dang cool. I think it'll look cool in the car. Let's keep going. I know you're gonna, I don't mean to waste your time, so let's get it going. I have a feeling this is gonna be a rear strut. So like I said, we went with, once again, directions and a sticker. You can't go wrong. So this is going to be the QA1 double adjustable. So right now I have dampening, but I don't have rebound. This is going to give me that rebound adjustment, which will be sweet. Get that back end stuck down a little harder. But I mean, yeah, once again, all their stuff, just quality is just absolutely awesome. It's exactly what I expected from all of the other stuff. But so you got both your adjustment knobs. I mean, very easy, very crisp on what you're doing. So like when I am out at the track and I'm having to adjust these knobs, it's pretty easy. Lay on my back, reach under the car, click, click. You're not guessing like, oh, was that one click? Was that two click? It's pretty foolproof, and it's been awesome, and the ease of adjusting on the fly is really nice. I mean, even if I went on a cruise, there was a couple times, because I have a Sparko in there, it's a little rough on a bumpy road. I pulled over and softened up the suspension just like that. Pulled over, what are you doing? I'm gonna adjust my suspension. Click, 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 and now my spine is not yelling at me. So yeah, that's it. Which that's a lot of stuff, and it's going to be quite a bit of work. I'll go show you the single adjustable rears. If you haven't seen that, I have a video on installing all that. I am going to be making a video on installing all of this new stuff. So bring you in on the old one. So these have been on for a full season. They have done awesome. There's the adjustment knob. Like I said, you can just lay on the ground. You can hit both that knob, single knob right now, but I'll be able to hit both those knobs for before. Like I said, I'm running a 12-inch 250. We're going to be shortening this to a 10-inch spring so we can get this booty a little lower. All right, well, I showed you all the new, I showed you the old, and I figured I'm just going to wrap this video up with things I'm excited for. I'm definitely excited for the new camber caster plate. I think the adjustability on this new style is going to be even easier than the old style, so I'm excited about that. Also, the Proma Star series struts, I'm excited for this. I think this is going to be a big upgrade. talk about weight reduction with the aluminum body and mount, the inverted strut, the adjustability of it on the top instead of having to go down on the ground, which I don't really have a problem with that, but it's way easier. So I'm excited about that and the weight reduction. I am going to be doing a video on installation of all this new stuff, as well as you know, track reviews when I get it out there, because you guys know the Project 3rd Gen's getting back on the track. So I really appreciate y'all watching this. If you liked it, go ahead and like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already following, go ahead and follow, subscribe. I got more of this junk, more other junk, and we're gonna be out having fun beating it. So thanks again to QA1 for helping me out. Awesome customer service and just giving me the opportunity to work on this new suspension. So thank you, and until next time.